Hello, my dear students. Let us solve the next question. Integration of 5x minus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared dx. This is the 100 video in YouTube we are going to upload. So here 5x minus 2 is linear. 5x minus 2 is equal to a times d by dx of this one is quadratic 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus b. Okay, now 5x minus 2 is equal to, now differentiate this one differentiation is 0, 2x differentiation is 2, 3x square differentiation is 6x. You know that the differentiation of x square is 2x, the 2 3 is a 6x plus b. Now what I get here, 5x minus 2 is equal to 2 into a 2a plus 6 into a 6ax plus b. Now let us start comparing coefficient of x and constant terms. Compare the coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here? 6a. Coefficient of x here 5. 6a is 5. A is equal to 5 by 6. Let us go for remaining things. 2a plus b is a constant, here minus 2. 2a plus b is minus 2. A value 5 by 6, substitute here. 2 table 3 times cancel. 5 by 3 plus b is minus 2. Then b value is minus 2 minus 5 by 3. That b value will be minus 11 by 3. So 5x minus 2 value I am getting. This you need to substitute here in this. Correct? This you have to substitute. So 5x minus 2 is getting 5 upon 6. 2 plus 6x minus b value is minus 11 by 3. Means this numerator should change in this way. So what I get here, I is equal to 5x minus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared dx can be written as, this can be written 5 by 6, 2 plus 6x plus minus 11 by 3, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. I just change this numerator by this. So to make it easier, this is a lengthy question. We have a patience and listen. Okay, now what I will get as when I after writing this one 5 by 6, I'll separate this. Okay, 5 by 6 I'll take out, I'll separate this one. Okay, that I'll separate. So what I get here, 5 by 6 integration 2 plus 6x upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared dx, and you have here plus into minus 11 by 3 integration of 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared dx. Now you have to simplify this one. So what I do here to simplify this one, I take this is I1 integration, I'll take this is I2 integration. I don't take 5 by 6 and 11 by 3. I'll just take which is I need to integrate, that I'll take as I1, and I'll take this one as I2. And you think this question is I, then after we will substitute this I1 I2 again in this, then we'll get the answer. So I am just solving this individually. Okay, individual. So I1 is equal to 2 plus 6x upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. I2 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Now we have to solve this one. So when you are solving this one, what I get, I1 is equal to, let us take the denominator t. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square is t. So now differentiate this one. 2x differentiation is 2, 3x square is 6x, dx is equal to dt. So this is totally is become d. So 2 plus 6x dx, and this totally is become dt. So I is equal to dt upon, this was I consider t, so dt upon t, that is log mod t. So I1 is equal to log mod, what is t here? 1 plus 2x plus 3x square substituted. So I got I1 answer. So I don't want to make you confusion, that's why I separated this one. I find. Now I will find the integration of this one. These both answers I will substitute here and here. Now let us take I2. What is I2 is saying here? 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. 1 upon quadratic, whenever you have, we have to make a complete square method. What method? Complete square method. 10th class you learn, na? Complete square method. Complete square method. So what is complete square method? How to do it here? I'll take here 1 plus, here you have to make first coefficient is 1 single, so take 3 common, so x square plus 2 by 3x. Now you got a square plus 2ab, so you have to identify b here. So a square plus 2ab you have to identify what here? B. Simply you see that if this is x square, then a is x, 2ab means 2 already there, b will be what? 1 by 3. Simply here you can see that. So 1 by 3 whole square will be, b is 1 by 3 means b square will be 1 by 3 whole square, that is 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 should be add and subtract, because we are we are adding that. To get this one we have to add. So what you do here, inside, to make a perfect square, here I'll add 1 by 9. So there I will subtract. So what I get here, 1 plus 3 into this whole thing, I get x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus, and this if I multiply 3 into 1 by 9, that is 1 by 3. So I am getting what here, 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square. Now this 1 and minus 1 by 3, if you add, this is 2 by 3. Now let us take completely 3 common. So I get as x plus 3 1 by 3 whole square plus, when I take 3 common, the 3 will be divides here. 2 by 3, 3 is a 9. So what I got, 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 upon 9, that is 2 upon 9 is root 2 by 3 whole square. What I am doing is I am making perfect square. Okay, so I hope you are understanding. Till this is no doubt, right? A plus b whole square minus 1 by 3. Now what I have to do, I should not have like this. I have to make completely square. So what I am doing, this constant I am adding. Then I am making what here, this 3 extra we have. Square is there, but I should have square, but 3 extra I have. So 3 ko hatana hai mujhe. If to remove this 3, what I do here, I take 3 common, or either I divide by 3. You do anything, whatever it may be. So you take 3 common. So when I take 3 common, when I divide by 3, I should multiply by 3. You do that also, it works. So means you can multiply and divide by 3, so that only this will get. Or we can say simply 3 I take common. 3 I take common means x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 if I take common, 1 by 3 you have. So that 3 will be here, 3 3 is a 9. So it's 3 into this is totally, now it is in square. So I have to make, this is also square. So 2 by 9, how to make square? 9 I know, 3 square. So root 2 I don't know. So root 2 square is, that's okay. So this is become in square. How? X plus 1 by 3 whole square plus root t by 3 whole square. So what I can write here, I2 is equal to 1 by 3, 1 upon x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus root 2 by 3 whole square. Now it is become perfect square method. Like here 1 by x square plus a square formula is what? 1 upon a tan inverse x by a, that is a formula. So I2 is equal to 1 by 3, 1 upon integration of x square plus a square formula, 1 upon a, this is a, 1 upon root 2 by 3, tan inverse, x is this, x plus 1 by 3, upon a, root 2 by 3 plus c is the answer. So 1 upon 3, reciprocal is, this is reciprocal, 3 by root 2 tan inverse, LCM do it, 3x plus 3, 3x plus 1 upon 3, root 2 by 3, 3 cancels. So after doing here LCM, what I get, you know, I'll get as 3x plus 1 by 3 and divided by root 2 by 3, root 2 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. So I get as tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2. Okay, still this 3 can be cancelled. I2 value 1 by root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2. Okay, I got I2 now. I have already I1. So now I have here I1. Now this I1 I'll replace here. The I2 I'll replace here. What I am going to get the answer, 5 by 6 log mod 1 plus 2x plus 3x square minus 11 by 3. This I am replacing. So this is your final answer. This is the way to do it, that questions in this way. Hope you understand. Thank you so much. I'll give some homeworks. Let us solve these homework questions. See, this is the homework questions. You have a 3 questions homework. See here, x plus 2 upon under root of x square plus 2x plus 3 dx, 4x plus upon 1 upon under root of 2x square plus x minus 3x dx, 2x upon under root of x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. And if you want to do more, I can give you, but these are enough. So do these 3 questions homework, so you will get practice on these problems. Thank you so much. Bye.